So one of the features of the Pro tier is being able to see what people in your community who have linked their account, you can see what likes and retweets they've done on the tweets you've made on your connected group Twitter account. So in the beginning, we connected a Twitter account. Any tweet that is raided from that account, we are able to track what users who have linked their account in the group, and I'll show you how a user would do that in a minute. You can track who has retweeted or liked, not just how many have, but who has. This allows for some great potential because you can use that data to, for example, set competitions, see or set amount of people. For example, you've got, like, let's say you've got 10 people in your community who have liked over 100 times, for example. You might give them some kind of reward. I'm going to show you how that all works and why it's important in the first place to connect an official group Twitter account. So if I type /raid and I find a tweet that I've made on my official group project Twitter account. So for example, if I had a Twitter account for this group, it might be called example Twitter, for example, something along them lines. So we're going to start a raid that has been made from the connected account. So in my scenario, I'm going to do this one. This is a demo of the raid bot. Let's go. So this is actually my official, obviously it's my personal one, but just for video's sake, this would be my project's Twitter account. And this is a tweet from there. I'm going to copy that tweet and paste it in. So if I do /raid and I go there, it's going to make me set up the raid. So I do /raid and it will allow me to set the targets and stuff like that. So now, one of the big features of the bot is being able to see who has liked and retweeted a tweet. This only applies, as I said, to the connected Twitter account. It also applies to users who have linked their account to your group. But how do users do that? What is that about? So I'm going to show you now how that works from your community members' perspective. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so right now I've changed over to another Telegram account in the same group. I'm acting as one of your community members. I'm not an admin. Okay, so if you want to link your account as a member so you can participate in getting rewards or liking, retweeting, bookmarking right inside the chat, engaging in the chat, you have to link your account. So if I type /link, this is what a community member would do. As it says here, community can link their account to engage directly in chat, as well as get tracked in /export for you to potentially offer rewards in-house. So if I do /link, as a community member, it's going to offer me this option here with a button to link Twitter. I'm going to link Twitter. I'll click start. And as you can see, it's gone into a private chat. And if I click link personal Twitter, it will then ask me to, like we did in the beginning, once we set up the group, it will ask me to obviously authorize and connect Twitter. I'm going to do this on a separate device very quickly. Okay, so I've just linked that account. Obviously it's the same setup as before. And now that I've linked my account, I can do certain things during the raid, and I'll also be tracked when I like or retweet one of the tweets from the official group's Twitter account. So I'm going to head back onto my other account, okay, and I'm going to start the raid. Alright, I'm going to click start raid, and now, as you can see in the chat, you can actually like, you can retweet, or you can bookmark right from inside the chat. Okay, I think that's pretty cool. You can only do that if you link your account. Obviously, the community members will be linking their account, not you guys and admins setting up the bot. Okay. All right, I've just switched back to my other account, to the community members account, the one who isn't an admin. And what I can do now, because I've linked my account, I can actually like, retweet, and bookmark all within Telegram without even leaving to go Twitter or anywhere else. I just click like and it says liked. I can retweet and it retweets and I can bookmark all straight away. Okay? One of the most underrated features of the raid bot is the ability to reply to the current raid straight away, all within the chat without leaving Telegram. So very quickly, this might be a raid that comes from a KOL or an auto raid, for example, okay? And their tweet might not exactly be relevant, and there's not a lot of points sometimes in retweeting or liking these kind of posts, okay? So this is one from CoinGecko. It's not completely relevant, but if we did /reply, an admin can do this or a community member can. You have to link your account, your personal Twitter account. You can do /link. So if we do /reply and we go, we'll do this. That's just the text of your reply. And we hit enter. And as soon as you do that, or a community member does it, it comes up with this message. It shows where you can see the tweet. That will go to the reply. And it shows the text of the tweet and who sent it in the Telegram chat. Obviously, all your community members can do this, but the most underrated feature is, if we scroll back up here, is this button here. Raid this instead. If you click that, which I'm going to do, it's going to end the current raid straight away and start a new one on this reply. So, for example, if I click this now, bang, it deletes the message. It says cancelling previous raid, and there you go. My reply to that original raid is now being raided and using dynamic target values here.